Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Bolivia using the Remitly app. So you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, and on the top left corner of the home page you can select the country that you wish to send money to, in our case Bolivia. Then tap on the country, and when you open up the country page you can tap on the get started icon, which is on the bottom of the screen. And when it loads, you just have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you're going to see your local currency, and below that, you're going to see the recipient country's currency, the same amount exchanged. Then tap on continue to choose the delivery methods that are available. We have for Bolivia bank deposit and cash pickup options. Then if you choose, for example, bank deposit, you are going to see some of the most popular banks in Bolivia. But if you don't see the one that you would like to use, you can always tap on choose another bank and see all the available banks. So you can choose the one that you wish to. Then when you choose a bank, you just have to choose if it's a checking or a saving account, and add the account number of the recipient. Then you have to add the first name and last name of the recipient, and optionally you can also add a second last name. Tap on continue. Then you have to add the street address, city, and department of the recipient. Tap on continue to add a phone number for the recipient. Tap on continue again. You can also choose to notify or not to notify the recipient. You have to also add the recipient's ID number to send money. And obviously right now I don't have an ID number for Bolivia, but after you add your ID number, there is going to be only one more step where you have to add your debit or credit card details, and you can pay for the exchange just as a normal internet payment, and the recipient is going to receive the same amount. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.